Today we'll learn about properties of addition of integer. Properties of addition of integers. Okay, properties of additions of integer. There are different properties of addition of integer. First one, closure property. Closure property. Okay, if a and b are two integers, then a plus b will be also an integer. Okay, this is the closure property or the first property of the addition. A and b, if both are one integer, then their sum will be also an integer. This is called the closure property. Example, 3 is one integer, minus 2 is also one integer. 3 plus minus 2. 3 plus minus 2, 1 positive, 1 negative. If it is added, it will be the difference. 3 minus 2, it is 1. It is also an integer. This is called the closure property. Okay. Second one is the commutative property. Second one is commutative property. Okay, what is commutative property? If a and b are the two integers, and in the addition a plus b is equal to b plus a, means if their order of addition it is changed, it does not affect the result. A and b, if both are one integer, a plus b is equal to b plus a. So a example we will give 4, 1 is minus 3. So 4 plus minus 3. What is the answer? 4 plus minus 3 means 1 plus positive 1 negative. So 4 minus 3, it will be 1. B plus a, minus 3 plus 4. Same, 1 negative 1 positive means the difference. So 4 minus 3, it is 1. In both the case, the result is 1. It means a plus b is equal to b plus a. This is called the commutative property. Third one is associative property. Okay, associative property. Okay, so what does associative property means? In case of 3 integers, means a, b and c are the 3 integers, and if they are added, a plus b plus c in this order, means first we will add a plus b, then c. If their order of addition it is changed, their sum will be equal. It means a plus b plus c, means if their order is changed, means first b plus c is added, then a, the sum will be added to a. In both the case, the result will be same. We'll take one example. If a is minus 3 B is 4, C is minus 2. Okay, add in this order. First left side, A plus B bracket plus C. So what it will be result? Minus 3 plus 4 plus minus 2. So here we will keep the bracket, means first these two we will add. So what we will get? Minus 3 plus 4 will get 1 plus minus 2. 1 plus minus 2 will get minus 1. This is the left side. Now we will add in the right side order. A plus B plus C. So first write A. Okay, minus 3 plus 4 plus minus 2, but the order will be like this. So minus 3, first we will add this one. 4 plus minus 2, it is 2. Minus 3 plus 2, it is minus 1. In both the case the result is minus 1. Means in addition also satisfies the associative property. So commutative property, closure property and associative property both are satisfied in case of addition. Okay. Next another is properties of 0. Properties of 0 means properties of 0 means if 0 is added to any integer, the result will be the same integer. We will see the example. 0 plus 7, it is plus 7. 0 plus minus 3, it will be answer minus 3. Means in both the case, if 0 is added to any integer, the result is the same integer. That is why 0 is also called as the additive identity. What is it? 0 is called as additive identity. Okay, so 0 is also called as the additive identity. These are the some properties of the addition. Okay. Next is the properties of the subtraction. In the properties of the subtraction, we will see that these properties are satisfied or not. Means closure property, commutative property and associative properties are satisfied or not. Properties of subtraction. Okay, the first one, closure property. Closure property, what I said in the addition, closure property, if A and B are two integers, then in the addition A plus B is also an integer. Here also in the closure property, in the subtraction, if A and B are the two integers, A minus B also will be an integer. Okay, example 3 minus 4. Subtract 3 minus 4. In the subtraction, what we have learned? Subtraction is the addition of the opposite of the or inverse of the addition. So this minus symbol will be plus. Write the inverse of the minus 4. It is the plus 4. So what is the answer? 7. 7 is also an integer. So A and B, if both are integer, then A minus B is also an integer. It means subtraction satisfy for the closure property. Next is the commutative property. Commutative property. In the addition commutative property, what we learned? Commutative property means if A and B are the integer, if their order it is changed, it does not affect the result. Here we will see it is affecting or not. It means if A and B are two integers, A minus B and B minus A, are they equal or not? They will not be equal. We will see the example. If A is 7, B is 4, so A minus B, 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. B minus A means 4 minus 7. 4 minus 7 is equal to minus 3. Are they equal? No, they are not equal. It means subtraction does not satisfy the commutative property. Okay, then 3. Associative property. Associative property also associative property, in case of subtraction, associative property also does not satisfy. What is the associative property? If A, B and C are the three integers, okay, then A minus B minus C is not equal to A minus B minus C. The order of subtraction, if it is changed, it will not be equal. Example, 3, A is equal to 3, B is equal to 4, C is equal to 1. Left side we will do A minus B minus C, 3 minus 4 minus 1. What is the answer? 3 minus 3, it is equal to 0. Right side we will do 3 minus 4 minus 1. 3 minus 4 is equal to minus 1, minus 1 it is equal to minus 2. Are they equal? No. Means for the subtraction, associative property also is not satisfied. But in the addition, all the properties are satisfied. But in case of subtraction, only closure property it satisfies. Rest two are not satisfied. Okay, I think you have understood. I will give you some questions basing on these properties. Try to solve it. Thank you.